Hey guys, Dave here from Enerdrive. Just rocked up to Battery World Rocklea, caught up with Adam and the team. They've got a pretty exciting project on the go at the moment. This gentleman, well, to be honest, probably best I'll let Adam explain to you exactly what this gentleman's problems were and the reason why he's approached Adam for a solution, and hence why Enerdrive's involved.
Yep. Yeah, thanks Dave.
No problems.
Look mate, the reason why we're here doing this today is this van's got a few issues. The customer's had some dramas with it, it's been unreliable, and the customer actually goes out and does fossicking. So they're out, they're very remote.
So no mains power.
No mains power at all, and they both run off a CPAP machine. So husband and wife, very critical that their power supply is reliable.
Yeah.
And that's why we've gone with the Enerdrive system.
Absolutely, yeah. Check this out guys. Just want to give you a little bit of a before. Feel free to pop in there, cameraman. Have a look at this. Yes, you've seen it. Dead man waiting to happen. That's straight off inlet. There's a lot to be fixed and corrected in this van, but I'm sure by the end of it, the team at Battery World Rocklea will have that well and truly sorted. You might want to just skip in there and just have a little bit of a look as well. They got their work cut out for them, but I have no doubt that Battery World Rocklea will be able to sort it out. Oh well, let's move around. We'll show you what we're doing with this van and what we're planning on putting in there. Tell me about these connections, Adam. I couldn't believe it when I saw this.
Yeah, look, that was a bit of a special one when the customer told me that the power was a bit in a minute and not quite working like it should, so he wasn't sure what was wrong. Look, just at the inspection of removing one of our link cables, I found the issue. So look, when you hammer terminals and lugs together like that, that's kind of the result you're going to get.
I'm hearing you.
Yep. So
that's incredible.
That's not too flash, and there's another fellow link cable.
Hard to believe someone actually paid for that.
Yeah.
I find that amazing. Okay. And this is the battery, or one of the 3 batteries that came out of it?
Yeah, absolutely. So gentleman 40 was getting a good deal. He's bought these online as 125 amp hour batteries. These are only a couple of months old, and we've done a discharge test on them, and look, they ran for 35 minutes on our Ashatec, which equates to around about 35 amp hours. So goodness. The poor bugger's gone and paid good money. Online, 40 was doing the right thing, and he's got ripped off. It just proves you get what you pay for, and batteries are no different. Even with these AGM batteries, we are seeing them more and more online at cheap prices, but you do get what you pay for. And look, people wonder why we're expensive. You're paying for what you get when it comes to batteries. More lead, more acid, more power. Yeah, for sure. Yep. Okay, well, let's have a look at what we're putting into this caravan, guys. E-Power inverter, 2000 watts. We're able to remove the switch on this one here and extend it. So there's a cable that comes with this inverter which enables us to actually extend this switch up into the living space, ensuring a really nice, easy to use solution. You don't need to hop out of the van and in this case walk around to the boot space to operate the inverter. This gentleman's more than capable, when this is finished, more than capable of running a couple of CPAP machines. He can run his coffee pod machine, really anything up to 2000 watts. But of course the RV80 Plus is going to be the real heart of this system. Absolutely. An all-in-one solution, fully assembled in Brisbane at the Enerdrive factory. It's a pretty exciting product. And a big time saver, Dave. Yeah. And time is money. Yeah. And we know when we're out there quoting, time is money, and it's a very competitive market. So you're looking at the angle from the client's point of view. Yep. This effectively is going to offer them a slightly cheaper install from a time perspective. Absolutely. Okay. And we know we've got a customer that's a little bit money conscious. Yeah. So we, rather than seeing him get a bad deal, we'd prefer to go with something like that. It's whacked together by you guys, and it's an awesome product. Check this out, guys. For an all-in-one unit, you really couldn't want for more. 40 amp battery charger from mains power. So whenever you plug into mains, you've got up to 40 amps per hour feeding your battery with a fully automatic power supply function. That is,
when there's 12-volt items or loads running from your battery, this charger will support the load with no interaction required from the customer. No need to hit a button or press a switch. Plug into mains, it just works. E-Power DC to DC 40 plus. This is a great little product, guys. Capable of charging up to 50 amps, adjustable down to as low as 5 amps, up to 800 watts of solar array feed to the input side. So you're covered here for solar input and vehicle input. But further to that, we have this here, which is the shunt for our ePro Plus battery monitor. That monitor is going to enable these guys to see how many amps is coming or going from the system. Quite a lot of information regarding the history of their system after it's been installed. How much have they used? How much have they put back in? Are they fully recovering their battery correctly to 100% state of charge? And what state of charge is left in their battery at any given time. So that's what that's going to enable them to do, combined with the display. And this whole system is supplied pre-wired, ready to go, fused. Everything's high quality, large mega fuse in this case, ready for the inverter. You couldn't want for better. But I think the real advantage of this solution is the fact that should something fail, it can happen to the best of us.
Absolutely.
They haven't lost 100% of their charging system, Adam. And I think with these guys travelling, fossicking, travelling a long way from town, that's a big deal.
I believe so. And when we talked to the customer, that was one of the reasons why they decided to go with this product. When I spoke to them, I said, look, no matter what, we're going to have a means of being able to charge your batteries, whether it be AC, DC, or generator, or solar. We're going to have a means of being able to keep you out there no matter what. Whereas some of the other units where it's all in one, if something goes, you got a problem.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Reliability is key when you're travelling remote, and the RV80 Plus is just one of many examples that EnerDrive can deliver on to achieve that. I think it's fantastic.
Yep.
So this is interesting. Just tell me about this here. I just noticed you've got a little Blue Sea system stud.
Yep. Look, the idea of that, Dave, is what we're going to do is, look, some of the solar cabling that's been ran is a bit short. So the idea is we'll be able to mount that. We'll be able to get all the cables into one cable. By using that, and just run one cable into the DC-DC charger, one cable being one positive and one negative.
Yep, for sure.
To make the whole system a lot neater, rather than having things like this, which are all bunched together, taped together, and then trying to screw that in there.
So just keeping it really neat and organised. Should they want to add another panel at a later date, they've got a really neat common place to go to.
Yep.
So really, it's all about not just keeping it tidy, but future-proofing it for improvements at a later date.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's fantastic. All right, well, Adam, good luck with this. I think, mate, you guys have got this covered. It's going to be a great build. I can't wait to come back and see the end result.
No, thanks very much, Dave.
No worries
Thanks
at all.
for the support.
Cheers.
Thanks,
Thank
mate.
you.